Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Latest in Beauty. So this is my January 2022 choices. So if you want to see what I chose on their beauty counter, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing my latest and beauty choices for this month. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £12.95 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95. But if you are a subscriber for 3 months, I think, on your third payment, you will become a member pro. Your shipping will be free, so it will cost you only £12.95 a month, but also you will have a 15% off on their limited edition boxes in their collection boxes. And also, lovely, this subscription box, you can choose 6 beauty items in their beauty counter. Every Monday they release a new 5 products. I always do the lineup spoiler of this subscription box. So if you want to check it out, I will pop in here. When you subscribe to this subscription box, for example 12th, your contract will be on that day, so it will renew every 12. You can still get another box. For example, in the middle of your contract or your month, you can get another box for $12.95, which is not bad at all. So yes, let's open this box. So it came with this black box. Let's open it. I'm filming this on my camera, and fingers crossed it will transfer on my iPad, because I had some problem with it these few days. So I did my choices on the 1st, and it arrived yesterday, this box, which is the 11th. So it's been like almost 2 weeks. But yeah, so the first one that I chose is this from Spotlight Oral Care, and this is Whitening Strips, Hydrogen Peroxide, suitable for whitening, staining, and sensitives. Here we go. Let's see inside. So inside you will get toothpaste for whitening. Here we go. And as always, lovely, they don't put the leaflet, so I will pop here the price. And this one has 100 ml, and I'm pretty sure this is a full size. And then you have also in this pouch whitening strips. So you have 14 inside. So I think this is a full size, because I thought it will be like 2 strips. No, lovelies, you have 14 strips inside, which is wow. Wow, this is a lot. And you have also the toothpaste inside too. So yes, so happy for this, and I really like the pouch. I really wanted to try this one because I heard really good reviews about this products. I tried few whitening products before, lovelies, but I wasn't really happy because it makes my teeth sensitive, and I really hate that feeling, so I always stop using them. I really hope this one, it works for me. And then the next one that I choose is this from Grayskull, England, Ginger Lily and Mandarin Luxurious Body Butter. It has 225 grams. This is really a big product. And let's smell it. It has the kind of citrus smell. Yeah, it smells really nice, and I really love the packaging. The next one that I choose is the Hall of Fame. I was really excited for this, and this is from Royal Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. And I think this is just a travel size. It has 100 ml, but we know that Royal's product, it's very expensive. I tried few of their products, and it's really good. I really enjoy using it. I never repurchase it because they are quite expensive. So I'm always happy to receive them in my subscription boxes, so I choose this one. And this one, it says Dragon's blood comforts and restores through skin hydration. Rose water cleanses and refreshes skin. Vitamin B3 helps brighten skin. Hyaluronic acid provides long-lasting hydration. Travel-friendly, no-spill packaging, ideal for travelers and MUAs. So yes, excited for this. And the other product that I choose is this from Batiste. I know I said before that Batiste dry shampoo, I don't really like it on my hair because it leaves like the white cast on my hair. But this one is quite different. It says overnight deep cleanse. So I'm curious to try. Help detoxifying hair while you sleep. Wake up to clean looking fresh hair. So you have also instruction at the back. This kind of magic contains a breakthrough formula with charcoal and baking soda that refresh your hair while you sleep. It helps detoxifying your hair by absorbing excess oil and helps remove impurities that build up during the day. So you wake up to fresh and clean looking hair. With delicate soothing fragrance, it promotes an inner sense of relaxation that will help you drift off in restful sleep. Help detoxifying your hair overnight between washes. You are welcome. So yes, it has 200 ml, so this is a full size. And then the other product that I choose, I really need some brow products, so I thought to choose few of their brow products in the beauty counter. This is from Goku's Beauty to Go, and let's open it. So you have in this one here, you have the applicator, and you just need to dip inside here, and I think this is the spare one. When you finish this one, you can use this one. Let's watch it so you know how dark will be this product. Oh, the applicator, I do really like it. I might try this one in one of the video, like a short video. If you want it, just let me know in the comment below. And then the last product that I choose here, and this is from Brow Co. Tames and Set Brows, Lip & Co. At the moment, I'm using the St. Luke's Brow Gel that we received in, I think, in glossy box before, and I really do like it. So this one is almost empty. Trying to find alternative one. My favorite Holy Grail brow gel is the Benefit one, which is I love. I have this, but it's empty. I need to repurchase it, but at the moment I'm happy with this, and I want to try this one, and let's see. And it says, whatever brow style or color you choose, make it long lasting and smudge free with award-winning waterproof brow coat brow gel. Brow coat is your secret to a powerful brow. So here we go, and this is a full size, and I really do like it that it's a waterproof, because as you know, now it's sunny. I'm really surprised that it's a sunny day, but it's been a few weeks now that it's really raining all day. So yes, I really need a waterproof brow gel. And this month, as a freebie, lovelies, you will get a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, 29 ml. So yes, here we go. That's my choices for this month. Let's do a recap, lovelies. You will receive from Cetaphil, which has 29 ml, and my choices are the Spotlight Oral Care. I was really surprised because you get 14 of strips, teeth whitening strips, and it's a lot. Like in one of these, you get one upper strip and one lower strip, so one sachet, one use, and you get also the toothpaste, which is a thumbs up. And I choose also this one from Grace Cole, Ginger Lily and Mandarin, and then the brow coat, which is I really need at the moment, the Gold Coast eyebrow something. And then I just also the Rodio one, which is the Holo Frame, and the Batiste Overnight Deep Cleanse. And I'm really happy with my choices this month. Was really excited to receive this box, and definitely I will use every single product. As I said, that's why I really like Latest and Beauty, because you can choose the products that you want. If you want to subscribe to the subscription box, all the info, all the link will be in the description box below. I think I have a 20% off if you are a first time subscribers. So that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of the choices of Latest on Beauty this month? Have you done your choices? What did you choose? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.